Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Princess Beyond Fashions. My name is Princess. This is part 2 of the journey. Today we are going to go journey by train into Wolverhampton. We'll get to Birmingham New Street first.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, before we go to Wolverhampton. So that's our train there. Come my love. Follow me, not on that side. Follow me. So this is our train here, platform 4. Oh, the train is already waiting. Look at that train approaching. Yay! Yeah. So here I am. So my advice is, whenever you're traveling with little ones, in order to avoid all of those stress and all that stuff, my advice is that you set out early enough so that you're not running across platforms, you know, the stress of looking for your platforms, if you have luggage, carrying your luggage, and running across with the little one. So yeah, it's always good to start early. I think that one is going to London Euston. We've set out now. This train is going to, I think it's going to terminate at Birmingham New Street, but we are going down at Birmingham International. From there we're going to continue with our journey. Alright guys, so sit back and enjoy the journey with us.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street. We will be calling at Long Buckby, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tile Hill, Berkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street.
Birmingham International's our stop.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street. We will be calling at Long Buckby, Rugby, Coventry, Canley, Tile Hill, Berkswell, Hampton in Arden, Birmingham International, and Birmingham New Street.
Yeah. So whenever you're in the train or the airport, you already know about the airport because you've traveled by air, you know, a lot.
Yeah.
So whenever you're there, either at the airport or in the train, when you hear announcements like this, pay attention to the announcement. Alright? Don't forget, always pay attention to the announcement, because anything can happen, right? Yes, your train could be cancelled, the there could be rail repair like we heard earlier on. Your train could be, you know, you could be required to take a bus instead of your train, like those people did, right? Yes, the railway might be on strike, or it might be on strike on your next ticket, so you need to pay attention, right? And if you're going to change, like we have one change, we are going to go down at Birmingham International, right? So if you are going to change, you also need to pay attention to the announcements, just in case you need to change or something, right? So always pay attention. Always pay attention.
Because the train might need repairs, it might be on strike, the next ticket might be on strike. The day your friends come and go for it might be on strike, the next day your friends come and go for it might be on strike. Your thing might be cancelled because of bad weather.
That's for airports.
So trains can also be struck by bad weather too.
Yes. Like, remember, was it 2 years ago or last year, the heat wave was melting some part of the rail, you know, so the rails needed to be repaired.
when was that? Where?
In the UK, there was heat wave. Or was it 2 years ago? Was it last year?
Oh, that one. And there was a gigantic heat wave.
Okay, so yeah, so that's it. So suppose you need to charge your phone. The train has this.
We are now approaching Long Buckby.
Oh, I can see the internet rails.
Please mind the gap when leaving the train and step onto the platform before removing heavy luggage and foot. Next stop will be Rugby.
Yeah, rugby. You heard right. Rugby. As in rugby players.
But also, I was kind of disappointed when I heard it was rugby. They kept on saying Birmingham New Street, Birmingham New Street. Oh. Exactly. That thing is gaining speed
The
already.
next stop will be Rugby.
Coventry.
Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street.
Now the thing's starting to get crowded.
The next stop will be Canley. The next stop will be Canley. Welcome aboard this London Northwestern Railway service to Birmingham New Street. The next stop will be Berkswell.
Anyways, I had to cut out some of the journey so that I don't waste your time unnecessarily. You saw that there. This is one lesson I have learned, that help is out there, and that is so true. Help is always out there. If we look for it, we will get it. If we ask questions, we will find the answers. If we seek help, we will find help. You know, like if we knock, the door shall be opened unto us. Now we have arrived at Birmingham International. We alighted from that other train and we changed here for our next train. So we are going to look for our platform, the next platform where we have to board the next train. And that next train is going to be very full, so I won't be able to vlog inside that train. Okay. Sorry guys, my glasses has made an indentation on my face. Birmingham International, and we're going to take another train from here to where we're going. Birmingham International train station is not a very big one, and I won't be able to bring you all the areas in this train station, but this is a part of the lounge. Here we have located our platform and we have come down into the platform and waiting for our next ride. The next train that we are going to take from here is a cross-country train. The last one we took was London Northwestern Railway. Yeah, we've arrived at the station now. Oh my goodness, the train was delayed. Trains are on strike, like I said earlier on, so a lot of delay, but finally we are here. Yeah, finally we are here. You know, like I was saying in the train, you got to pay attention to the announcements, to everything that is going on, so that you know when there's a change in your travel time and travel itinerary. So yeah, So here we are anyways. Thank you for watching. If you like what we do here, please give this video a thumb up, and if you like my channel and you have not subscribed to the channel, please smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell to all so you stay updated. I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.